Popmart invited me to carve some pumpkins at their store, and it was so much fun! We got a lesson from a professional pumpkin carver, and then we were off to do some carving. At first, I was feeling so confident in my pumpkin. I was like, this is the best pumpkin in the world. But then I saw everyone else's, and they were way better than mine! Like, I didn't even know my pumpkin was a cat until we added the whiskers. But for real though, everyone's pumpkin came out very spooky. And you wanna know what else is spooky? The new Peach Riot Witchy Punk. I had to get this set. It's been calling me. But honestly, when do blind boxes not call my name? I love it here at Popmart. I got myself a peanut jelly blind box and the new Beetlejuice blind box set. And I took my pumpkin home just in time for Halloween.